Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you Sooji chicken pakoda or Semolina chicken pakoda. I have a boneless, skinless chicken breast and I'm going to use two of these, and it's a fresh chicken. 1.5 cup Sooji, Semolina, and I'm using this brand, and you can use any brand, or you can go to any Indian grocery store and you can find Sooji from there. Anardana, how do I make anardana powder? Please check it out the video. I'll provide the link under the description. That's a homemade. Water we're going to use as we need it. And the dry ingredients: black pepper, salt, cumin powder, cumin seed, 1 teaspoon each, 2 teaspoon cilantro, half teaspoon baking powder, anardana powder, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon ginger, garlic and green chili paste, and 1 onion. And we're going to need the oil to fry it. And let's start making our delicious Sooji chicken pakoda. Chicken breast I wash with the cold water and cut in big pieces, and I'm going to use a food processor. So I'm going to place all the chicken pieces in there, and we're going to make it nice smooth ground keema. It's all done. It doesn't take that long. It takes like a 30-40 seconds to get mixing bowl. Bring all the ground chicken into the bowl. This is how the chicken breast looks. Bring ginger, garlic paste, mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I'll bring onion. And I'll bring all the dry spices: anardana powder, baking powder, cumin powder, black pepper, dry cilantro, cumin seed, salt. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I'll bring semolina, Rava. We're going to mix it well. I'm going to bring water, half cup, and then we're going to mix it well to add as it needed. So we use 3/4 cup water. So make sure that it's nicely combined. We're going to cover it and we're going to let it sit on countertop for half an hour. Wait it for half an hour, and we're going to mix it again one more time. And I started my fryer. The oil is already heated up, 375 degree Fahrenheit. Now I brought it to 340 degree. Make sure your hands are clean. I'm going to use this much. Start putting in oil, and be careful, don't burn yourself. We're going to take it out when it's going to be nice golden brown. So that's good enough. And now we're going to wait until they turn golden brown. Then we're going to take them out. Cooking for 3 minutes. I'm going to lift it up. We look at here. It's nicely. It's going to be nice and crunchy. So we're going to dip it again, and we're going to make sure that each one of them are golden brown. Sooji chicken pakoda started to float, and they are nicely golden brown. And I'm going to shake it. We're going to make sure that all the oil is drained, and we're going to take it out. And I put a paper towel so that any extra oil, it will soak it up, and we will start making another one. One thing I want to share with you that you can do this. Get 2 spoons, just grab this much, and you start putting like this. That way you know how much you need it. You can do it with the 2 spoons just like this. The second batch is also ready. All the oil is drained, and I will take it out, put it back again, and we'll start making another one. Nicely golden brown, and I have last batch to go. Will be the last one, and once I'm done, then I'm going to share with you. Sooji chicken pakoda. This is the last batch. It's all done. Look at that, how crunchy. Nice. I'll take it out. And let me share with you. Our quick and easy Sooji chicken pakoda, Semolina chicken pakoda is very tasty, very crispy and very delicious. Please try it and you're going to like it. Please let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.